Hello, it's Steve Rennick, and today I want to talk to you about how sometimes construction workers, especially, make it easy to deny workers' compensation cases when you're injured on the job. Now, as construction workers, and as I found in my practice, they often get hurt on the job. Sometimes the minor injury, you bump yourself, you twist your ankle, you cut yourself. Those are not the type of injuries I'm talking about. Because some of the more times you're injured a little bit more seriously, and you may not know it really at the beginning. In fact, I had a client who came to me. He came off a front end loader. He's walking down a pile of mulch, and he steps in a hole, twists his knee. He ended up, oh, I'm gonna brave through it. I'm gonna tough myself through it. Until time went on. 30 days later, he needs medical treatment. And one of the problems in the state of Florida is you have to report an injury within 30 days. Luckily, he took certain steps to make sure that he was protected. And this is what I want to talk to you about today, how to not make certain mistakes when you have an on-the-job injury. One of the most crucial mistakes a construction worker makes when they have an on-the-job injury is refusing initial medical treatment. Now, well, I know a lot of you guys want to be tough guys, or women want to be tough. Gonna walk this off, a knee injury, a back injury, oh, I twisted my back. And you say, no, I don't need treatment, I'll just go lie down and hope it gets better. It doesn't get better. If you refuse that initial treatment, you don't know what's wrong. So don't refuse the initial treatment. Get the initial treatment. Make sure you know what's going on and it's not serious. Because if you don't get the initial treatment, you don't report an injury within 30 days in the state of Florida, an insurance company can say you didn't report it on time. Not just the accident, but the injury. So you want to make sure you report an injury within 30 days. Another mistake that construction workers make is that their employer is going to be cooperative and be helpful. Because at the beginning, they're going to tell you, oh, if you need medical treatment, oh, we'll get it for you, just tell us. But they're not in the business of making sure you're getting the treatment. It's your responsibility. I don't know how many times I've had clients come in, they said, I was injured a couple of days ago, but my employer's gonna take care of me. I don't think I need an attorney right now. Okay, but my experience is you're gonna need somebody to protect you. 2 months later, they come in, oh, my employers stopped this, they didn't do that. I don't wanna say I told you so. But this is a problem. Don't assume your employer is going to be cooperative with you if you're injured on the job. Another big problem, believing the insurance companies on your side. Believing they're your friend. They're going to tell you, and they're going to have nurses out there telling you, oh, we're here to help you out. We want to help you. We want to make sure you get better. They send you to their own doctors. And their own doctors, who they pay for, say, nothing wrong with you. And they're done with you. Well, you still may be hurting. So what do? They're not there to help you. Insurance companies' jobs are to make money. They're not there to pay money out. That's how they make money. They have a claim, they pay as little as possible. Remember that, you protect yourself. Now, what are some of the things you can do to help protect yourself when you have a work-related accident? Well, the first thing you want to do is report the accident to the employer immediately. Don't wait. Don't say, I'll tell them on Monday, or happens on Friday, tell them on Monday, or I report it immediately. Ask for initial medical care just to make sure you're okay. Do not go to your own doctor. Don't do it. Because you go to your own doctor, they're going to end up denying the case. Because workers' comp in the state of Florida, they're required to go to their authorized doctors. So you want to request authorized medical treatment immediately. Primary care doctor, that's usually what they'll send you to, or in the emergency room. And if the employer sends you there, make sure you have some type of documentation that they send you there. Don't let them tell you, and I'll have a whole nother video on this about what happens if the employer tells you, tell them it didn't happen at work. You never do that. Tell them what happened, make sure it's in the history. Because you ever have to go to court, that's the first thing the judge looks at. Is the accident in the history told to the emergency room or the first doctor? Make sure an injury report's created. An injury report is more of a notice of accident, notice of injury. And if you don't, report the accident to the insurance company yourself. This is very important. Don't delay. Find out who the insurance company is. There's ways online to find out who the insurance company is on it. And they should have a sign up somewhere in there. So if you ever have an accident at work, don't make the mistakes that I hear every day. If you find yourself in trouble, make sure you get somebody to help you out. If you ever have any questions, please join my Facebook group, Florida Construction Workers Facebook group. And now we'll have a whole bunch of different issues in there, or you can always contact me at srenick@protectingtheworker.com. Any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I look forward to seeing you on that Facebook page.